Welcome to Rajesh Sir's English class. I am back with a new topic. Once have a look on the board. Here see, academic year 2020-21. There is a very less chances to open this academic year. Due to the government decision, all the educational institutions were closed. And here the corona is saying, I won't leave you. And the parents are worried about the children's future. And the teachers are working hard to facilitate them. So they are taking online classes and they are uploading videos like us in YouTube. Let's have a look on this notice. Here date 18/6/2020, time 10:30 p.m. Respected parent, as you know. Here, once have a look on these sentences and the complete notice. Are you notice anything? Yes, something is missing. This. What's that? That's punctuation marks. Punctuation marks. Without these punctuation marks, we can't understand the sentence exactly what the author or the writer want to say. Here see the date. Generally we are using column, and here date we are using slash or dash, and with the time also we are using column, and here we are using full stop. And respected parent, then we are using comma. As you know, here we have a small break pause, so we are writing comma here. We have been started video classes from 13/4/2020, and here I am giving some extra information so that I am writing in the bracket, and this meaning is that is, and here is a full stop. And here we would like to inform you that here if they want to say something, so we are using colon here, and the list is due to COVID-19. Here we are using hyphen. Everything is changed. You need to accept new methods of teaching. So to ask your child to watch video classes. Here the request to students. Here the direct words of the teacher. Dear students, play hard but study harder. Let's think about, here this is a apostrophe. Let's think about it. Thank you. Now the notice is completed and we can understand it easily. So while writing anything, whether the notes or the books or any poem or any book, we are using this punctuation marks. With these punctuation marks, we understand what the author wants to say exactly. Today is our topic, punctuation marks. Punctuation marks. When we use punctuation marks, we use punctuation marks to understand the written work. To understand written work. Generally in written work, we are using these punctuation marks. Here is the list of punctuation marks we generally use in written work. Full stop. It's also called period. And here the symbol dot we are using to indicate full stop. And question mark is the symbol for question mark. Exclamation mark, there is the exclamation mark symbol, comma, quotation marks, colon, here two dots, up and down, semicolon, top dot and bottom comma, dash, hyphen. The hyphen is shorter than dash. Apostrophe, it looks like comma and we are using it on the upside of the word. Parentheses are round brackets. Braces, bracket and ellipses. These are the list of punctuation marks we are using to understand the scripts well. In our previous classes, I have told you how to use full stop, question mark and exclamation mark while learning kinds of sentences. We are learning kinds of sentences. Here, full stop. We learned that we use full stop at the end of the sentence. End of the sentence. And the sentence starts with capital letter. Here, he is going to school. Here the sentence ends with full stop and starts with capital letter. But sometimes here expressions saying something and the sentence is something. See that. He is going to school. Here this sentence is assertive sentence. Here he is going to school, exclamation mark. Here the expression is changed. He is going to school. Surprise. You know that these days we are terrified with corona and all the education institutions were closed. If any boy goes to the school, all are surprised. And some are expressing their doubt. He is going to school? Question mark. Yeah, actually the sentence is assertive, but the possibility to use the exclamatory sign and question mark by showing the person's expressions. As we learned that for understanding the writing work we are using this. So how the person reacted we know by this punctuation marks. And here this full stop we also use with imperative sentences. Close the door. Assertive and imperative sentences. And the other uses of full stop. Here see AM is indicating the time. PM. Here the possibility to write as AM without full stop, like PM. And sometimes the possibility is there to write with small letters, AM, PM. Here all are correct. And here the possibility to write with full stop, AM and PM. In the same way, while we are telling about the academics subjects in the intermediate or in degree, here see, we generally say BA, Bachelor of Arts. There is a possibility to write in this way also, BA. BA. Here it's not possible to write in small letters. In the same way, MLA is the abbreviation of Member of Legislative Assembly. MLA. But here, this is also not possible with lowercase. It's a wrong. We are using in this way. And while writing dates, here see 24 to 2020. If you want to mention what is the date, Monday. Here that is, we are using for that is. Small I, full stop, E, full stop. In this way we are using. These are other usage of full stop. We are using with abbreviations. We are using with abbreviations. As we learned in the previous classes, here the use of question mark and use of exclamation mark. Here the question mark we use to ask questions like what, who are you, where are you from. And here the exclamation mark we use to express sudden strong feelings. Here, wow, hooray, so nice, how beautiful she is, what a nice car. For expressing our surprise, we are using this. Sometimes we are using as a single word or in a form of sentence. In the same way, asking the questions also, sometimes a single word also treated as question and a complete sentence. Comma, call. Comma. When we use this comma, at a short pause, break. Separate names or items in a list. Here, the small pause, the short pause, see. Here, see, I am separating Ravi and Rani, and here I used and. Here, the possibility is used to comma, but in general, we are using British English, so we are not following this, but it is possible. And here, separate the list. Here, see, I have a list of items, and they are, I have a cycle, a bike, and a car. Here, I am separating this list by using comma. Here, possibility, but we are not using. And here at the last, full stop. And with a single word separating the sentence, also we are using this comma, C. HYD. And the HYD means Hyderabad. Here finally, at last he reached Hyderabad. While we are answering to the yes or no type questions, we are using comma. Yes, I will. Otherwise, no, I won't. In this way we are using this comma. Here the colon we use with quotations. Here see. Here we are using comma to separate the actual words of the speaker. Here list of items. When we are saying something and we are giving some list, we are using types of words. Here we are using colon. And here the comma is also possible and the colon is also possible. Here, colon. We are using comma or colon to separate these sentences. We have two types of verbs. Main verbs and helping verbs. Here to indicate the time, we are using this colon. Here 9:30 a.m. This way we are using colon to indicate time. With a ratio also we are using like 1:2 or 2:4. In this way we are using this comma and colon. Here next, parentheses are round brackets, braces, curly brackets, brackets, ellipses. Here parentheses are round brackets. We are using these for giving additional information. Here Kakatiya Public School. Here short form KPS. Here Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Here we are giving some additional information about Abdul Kalam, date of birth and date of passed away. Here braces. Well, we are giving the list and it is related to with the same word or letter. We are using this parenthesis. Here it is possible to make the sentences with play, read, sing and watch. Sometimes if you want to say it is belongs to first class, second class, third class, fourth class, fifth class, we are using this type of curly brackets. And here bracket for giving the additional information, and when you think that it is very important and give some additional information, we are using these brackets. Note, don't go out without marks. And here ellipses. If you want to say something to write from here to there, we are using these dots. Here, say A, B, C, D up to Z. The same way 1, 2, 3 up to 100. This is about punctuation marks. I hope you understand. Please revise this topic and note down the important points. Stay at home. Be safe. Thank you. Thanks for watching.